How to make vino at home. Like in stores. Pheno is considered essential in preparing sandwiches, and it can be stuffed with many fillings. Children love it, and adults love to eat it for breakfast or a light dinner. It is indispensable daily in children's lunch boxes in schools, so Hen presents a way to make pheno at home with simple and available ingredients, and in an easy way. It is quick and does not consume any effort or time, according to the method of Chef Sarah Abdel Salam. How to make vino at home. Ingredients for pheno: 8 cups flour, 50 g. Brewer's yeast. 3 tablespoons of sugar. A tablespoon of salt. A tablespoon of vinegar. A cup of yogurt. A cup of warm milk. Half a cup oil. Warm water for kneading. Habat al-Baraka. Sesame. An egg. A tablespoon of milk. Instant coffee. Water to spray the face. Cheese with olives. Cheese with black seed. Luncheon. Roomy cheese. Tea with milk. Mint tea. How to prepare pheno. It is the most important first step in how to make pheno bread at home and one of the secrets of its success, and gives the same results as the stores. In a bowl, add warm milk and yogurt with half a cup of warm water, then add sugar and yeast and stir the mixture until the sugar dissolves with the yeast completely. Add 2 cups of flour and stir the mixture until it is completely combined and a liquid dough of medium thickness is formed. Cover the dough with transparent plastic and leave it for half an hour to ferment and activate. A sign of fermentation is the appearance of foam and air bubbles on the surface. After fermentation is complete, add oil and vinegar to the dough and stir the ingredients together gently. Add the remaining amount of flour to the mixer, add salt, and stir with the flour. Add the fermented liquid dough as well, and begin kneading while adding warm water gradually and very slowly until the dough comes together in the form of a single ball that is very soft and elastic but does not stick to the hand. Kneading for a long period of time is one of the factors for the success of the method of making pheno at home. You must knead the dough for a long period of no less than 10 minutes and continue kneading until the dough is completely smooth and homogeneous. After the dough is completely kneaded, transfer the dough to a clean surface sprinkled with flour, divide it into 8 equal-sized pieces, and roll it by hand until the surface of the dough is completely smooth. Leave it to rise and cover it with clear plastic until it doubles in size. After complete fermentation, the pheno loaves are formed. Each dough ball is rolled out with a rolling pin in a circular shape and of a thin thickness, then the dough is rolled into a cylinder by hand. Press the open end of the dough with your fingers until it sticks to the dough completely. Roll the dough by hand back and forth until it is even on the edges and consistent in shape. Transfer the pheno loaves to an oiled tray lined with baking paper. Arrange the loaves, leaving a space between each loaf. Leave the dough to rise again until it doubles in size. Mix the milk with an egg and instant coffee, brush the face with the mixture, then sprinkle the face with sesame and black seed. It is possible to leave the face without greasing or sprinkling any additives. Using a water sprayer, spray the face of the pheno with water well. Bake in a hot oven at 220 degrees until the top is browned and completely cooked inside and out.